Hello, this is Renee from 22 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 14. And today we're talking about membership perks. If you're thinking about launching your membership, a lot of times you may not know what are the kind of things that I can offer to my members, leveraging my expertise, leveraging what I know and what I can teach them. So how do I structure that? So here's another idea, in addition to the ones we've given you before, is to run challenges. Interesting enough, if you've been consuming information online or buying from different experts, you might have actually done a challenge yourself. And a lot of the times these are used for lead generation. You'll run a challenge, a 5-day, 7-day challenge, 21-day challenge, and it's used to generate leads for people who are interested in the subject matter. But there's nothing that says that they can't be part of a membership. So think about it. Does your membership lend itself to have maybe monthly challenges where there's a new challenge that you can provide the members? And simply a challenge, if you're not familiar with it, it's simply creating a goal and say, hey, in the next 7 days, I challenge you to work out every single day, or the next 21 days to work out every single day, and for this amount of time if you're in fitness, or in the next 7 days, or the next month, I challenge you to accomplish this one goal. And obviously, in addition to challenging your members, you're going to give them resources to be able to meet that challenge. So that's kind of how a challenge works. I mean, it could be a nutrition challenge. It could be, hey, we're going to stick to this kind of meal plan for the next 21 days. It could be, if you're a dog trainer, it could be, hey, this is teaching your dog this new trick or this new something. So depending on your expertise, think about it. Does your expertise lend itself where it would make sense to give people a new challenge every month, per se, let's say? If that's it, then that could be another really, really valuable perk, another way or format to teach your expertise to your members. So with that, hopefully this helps you out. If not, we have plenty of other tips as well. And I'll see you on the next tip.